Do you want to take your stream to the next level with this bad boy? It's completely controlled inside of OBS, meaning you can edit all the sources without needing to know how to code or anything. You just need to know how to use OBS. I'm going to walk you through installing it and troubleshooting steps if you have any issues at all. Did I mention it is completely free too? Let's get into it. Put your rock in for the stone. Heyo duckies, Andilippi here. There are a few important things I should mention. This product and the other StreamerBot products only support OBS 28 and above. If you haven't upgraded yet, I'll leave a video up here and in the description on how you can upgrade without any issues. Trust me, it's easy. You will also need to have either SAMMI or StreamerBot, as these are the only tools we are supporting right now. It goes without saying, these should be all up to date too. Jump into our StreamerBot website to download the product, hit download, then it will take you over to our coffee page. We would love it if you considered putting in $1 or so, as it will go a long way in supporting us making these incredible products for you. If you cannot afford $1, you can just put in a big fat 0 in the box, then proceed to download the product for free. The first thing we need to do is install everything inside of folder 1. As you can see just here, we've got download and install these first. This includes a font file and also the plug installer. So just double click the font file, it'll take you to the font page, and you press download font and get it installed. You can obviously use your own fonts as well, so don't worry about that. And then open the StreamerBot plug installer, and you want to install this by just pressing download. It'll take you to our download page over at Coffee, and you can leave us $1. It'd be massively appreciated. If you need information on how to get this working, the video is just there as well. Once you've got all that downloaded and installed, open up OBS. Once in OBS, head up to Tools, go down to Stream Up, and then navigate to wherever you save the file. So mine is just here. Go to the OBS install folder, which is folder 2, and go to the .streamup file. Just double click that and it will create a new scene inside of OBS just here. It could make 3 scenes depending on if you want to be using the DSK blur, but you will need to be using stream effects for that. I'll explain it in just a second. Head to the alerts minim scene just here, and you will see all this stuff just here, not really doing anything. But if you right click on the scene, go to filters and press whoosh 1, you'll be able to see it will start animating it on screen just like so. Really nice and sleek. So we need to add these alerts to other scenes, and the way that we do that is go to scene, or whichever scene that you want it to be on. I'm going to leave this filter up, it makes it a little bit easier. So go to the plus sign on the sources menu and go to scene, and in here we can select the Stream Up Alerts minim scene just there. And now when we press this little whoosh filter, you'll see it comes on screen just like so. Mine is really bright right now because I've got the downstream keyer on, which is what we'll talk about in a second. So when I press the whoosh sign again, it looks normal this time. We can also add it to the scene in different other ways as well by going to the plus sign, and we can add a source mirror or a source clone, but you will need them respective plugins as well. So you add one of those, which is in Streamer Effects, and also the source clone plugin. We can clone any source we want, so we choose the Stream Up Alerts minim just there, press OK, and now when we press the whoosh, you can see it's on screen again using this source. If you want to use the DSK blur effect, which is super cool, make sure you click the DSK blur into mix scene and make sure the minim scene is on that one just there, and then click the DSK blur scene, and using the downstream keyer, just select it in your downstream keyer. It'll make it so it's highlighted just like so. If it's highlighted, that means it's actually turned on. What this means is every single scene that you're on, it'll actually have it on, and it's create this cool blurred effect behind it as well, which you can completely modify. If you want more info on that, I will leave a link in the description as well. So now installing everything into SAMMI, there is a couple of things that we need to do. So heading into your folders, you will have a folder 3, which is bot install. Open that up and go down to SAMMI. you'll see a SAMMI extension just here. This is one that Christina has made. This is the color converter. This is how you can choose exactly what colors you want to have on your banners, your text, and everything like that, so you can completely modify this alert package. Just press download, and it's just a small little file. I would recommend giving $1 because it helps support everybody that keeps making these things free for you guys, so it always helps. Do you know what I mean? Once you've got that downloaded, we can head into SAMMI. Go to the bridge and select install an extension. Obviously make sure SAMMI is completely up to date first. Now I'm going to head to the downloads file that I got, the color converter, and we can install that just there. We don't need to enable this deck or anything like that. It will just work straight out of the box for this use case. Then we can press bridge again, press install an extension, navigate to where we saved our product, which is the Minim Alerts. Just here, I'm going to open that up, go to folder 3, into SAMMI, and select the SEF file just there. This is going to create a new deck, and it should already be enabled. Now when we open this deck, there might be some missing images or anything. Don't worry about that though, it's all good. And we've got all the different triggers just here. We can modify what color we want everything to be by double clicking on one of them, and you'll see the settings that's in green. Press this little eye just here, and now we can adjust what we want each message to say, and we can put in a hex color that we want the banner to be, and the text color, we can use a hex, or you can use red, green, blue values, or a color name as well. Just when you're done, press save and close, press save again, and then now if we head back to OBS, press test follow, you'll see we've got it working on screen as well. Installing this into StreamerBot is super easy. We just need to open up our files, go to folder 3, bot install, just there, and then double click into that, double click into StreamerBot, and there should be a .sb file just there. In StreamerBot, go to import at the top and just drag and drop the SB file into here. If it's not letting you do it, then you can just open it with text edit or notepad or anything like that. Select all these characters here with Control A and Control C to copy them and paste them into the import string. There should be 6 actions and a queue. Press import, and that's it, you're good to go. We just need to select platforms, set the follow up to follow, set the cheers up to cheers, etc. And also there is donations, so you can go to the integrations and choose whichever one you're using, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, or even Coffee and things like that. Select them and set them up to the donation one as well. If you are wanting to use multiple triggers already, because you've already got a follow alert but you want this as well, then follow my video that's in the description that'll help you have more than one follow trigger, so you can trigger more than one action with it, which is pretty cool. And then once you're happy, just press test and you'll be able to see inside of OBS that it will start animating just like so. If you are running into any issues at all, don't worry, we have a Discord server. You can find the link in the file you downloaded or on the StreamerBot website. Just join and search for the product in the different channels. Each product has its own forum. This means you can search through the posts to see if someone else has had your issue, and if not, create a new post. Please be as accurate as possible and provide screenshots so we can actually help. If you like this product, then tell YouTube and press that like button. Also subscribe, as there are tons more products on the way. Speaking of, check out this playlist full of StreamerBot products. See you over there. Put your rug over the stone.